So what are you making today, babe?
What does that look like to you? Asparagus with taco seasonings on them. Roasted.
So Tex Mex.
Tex Mex, taco, Mexican. I like cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. You don't mount it up.
We're in a temperature switch.
You keep wiping the Jeep.
Yeah, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step out and
Hey, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything for that.
So why are you cutting the ends off?
Because it's when it's in that purpley looking area, like this or whatever, it's really, do you see how grainy that is? It doesn't cook up well. They're not soft. They're like, I don't want that in there. Have you ever had rhubarb? I don't know if you ever have, but I have raw rhubarb and you eat on it and it's just stringy. Hey, celery! It's stringy. That's what that is. So I cut them off for the roasting. My husband usually eats these as a salad or something. I don't know what he does with them.
It's about to go in the bowl.
That one's good. So's that one. That one too. It's the purple that you're trying to get off. A little bit of that purple. It's too grainy. Like that. Like that right there. This roasted is gross. You gotta cut that off. That one's fine. And that one, no, not so much. And that, see, has purple on it. You see how hard that was? And that's good.
So why does your husband eat these? Off the floor.
Hey, that one's good too. Don't need to do anything with that one. Why do you eat these? Because you like roast them up, and I don't know why you like eating stringy things. I don't like them. I've tried them, don't like them. But I save them because my husband likes to eat them. If you haven't noticed, I use a lot of garlic in my recipes. It's also good for you. There we go.
Helps keep the mosquitoes away in Florida.
I don't think it does, but we'd probably have to actually bathe ourselves in this for the mosquitoes to go away in Florida. Love Florida, but mosquitoes, ooh. Babe, you didn't open this up. Oh, yeah, you did. There's no thingy in there.
I took it out.
Oh. It's a brand new bottle, y'all. Woohoo. too much lemon.
What does lemon do?
Well, lemon and anything that has to do with taco seasoning is supposed to go together. That's how you get the flavor in. It's the lemon. You know how when you go to a Mexican restaurant or whatever and they serve you like limes and lemons with your meals and you're supposed to like squeeze it over your stuff and you never do? It actually does make a difference.
I like lime in my Corona.
Right. I'm gonna do 1.5. I should have used that one, but I guesstimated. Smells like tacos. Cumin. Tacos. Anything that you want to make taco flavor. Cumin.
So you don't have to buy the taco seasoning from the store?
No. If you look at the seasonings in a taco pack, cumin, chili powder, onion, garlic, some other stuff that you wouldn't want to eat. Yeah. That's 2 teaspoons, not 4. And pepper doesn't really have a smell. Well, it smells like peppers, but it doesn't smell like anything taco-y. Okay. A teaspoon of that.
I've overdone the chili powder.
Oh yeah, you can overdo chili powder. You cannot find it. Okay, there it is. Every time. Hey, it's not greasy. Did you wash it? My husband made this so greasy the other day. I was sitting there trying to put stuff in a recipe. My hand's just squeaking across it. And I'm like, babe, you cannot use these if you have greasy hands.
It's cooking eggs.
Yeah, it's good. That should be good. Now we're going to mix with our hands. We're going to make this messy.
Why do you mix with your hands?
What? How else are you supposed to make this? You can't put it in a bowl. It's, it's asparagus. You can't put it, I guess you can put it in like a Ziploc bag and like kind of shake it up.
It's just waste.
This is easier. All you have to do is wash your hands afterwards.
You want to take off your ring?
No, it doesn't get up in there.
Okay.
It's fine. We'll start mixing. It does get up in there, but I don't care. Look at that. Look at that. I know it's all over my hands too, but that looks yummo. What do y'all think? Yummy?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to spread them out like this because they'll fit. Get them all nice and spread out. I'm going to make them a little even because I want them to. Yeah, good.
So how's that sauce taste?
Oh. Like tacos. You can lick my fingers off camera. Okay, yeah. And then these have to marinate, y'all. You can't put these in the oven yet. Gotta marinate. You gotta let this stuff kind of soak into the asparagus.
For how long?
Like 15, 20 minutes. Something like that. Yummo. Look at that.
Y'all stay tuned.
I don't know what my husband wants me to say. Okay. Are you wanting me to do? What do you want me to do, babe?
We just took them out, babe.
Oh, from over here?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. I didn't. You used to do it from over here.
I'm doing it from right here.
You were telling me that. Okay.
Okay, so my wife said I was going to cook the ends of the asparagus. And there they are. And I'm going to scrape the same ingredients. I'm going to scrape all that into my salad.
All my ingredients.
I used all her ingredients. I used the same exact ingredients.
Why does your husband eat these? Off the floor.
Why do you eat these? Because you like roast them up, and I don't know why you like eating stringy things. I don't like them. I've tried them, don't like them. But I save them because my husband likes to eat them.